In this video, I want to continue our discussion of locators. So what's the purpose of this jig? Well, I'm going to have a drill bushing here, and that's so I can drill these holes around the outside or the periphery of this face. So for this part, my first or main locator is this collet that I've manufactured. My part will slide in here, and that's a concentric locator. So now we want to discuss, well, what degrees of freedom does this remove? Well, as soon as I put it in there, it can't move in the Z plus or minus or the X plus or minus, but it can continue to move in the Y plus and minus direction, as well as it can rotate around this axis. So I still have those degrees of freedom to remove. So what would I do next? Well, next, I would add a rest button or pin here. So when I slide it back, it will make contact with this, and it's going to stop as soon as it contacts the pin. And now what we're left with is this rotary motion as well as motion in this axis. To stop the motion in this axis, we're going to use a clamp. But to lock up another degree of freedom, we're going to take this pin here, which slides into the hole. So these holes will be in position below our drill bushing, so the hole is drilled properly. So in this case, we have one concentric locator, one planar locator, and another concentric locator to remove 11 degrees of freedom. The only movement left once all location has been added is to move away from the rest button and out of the fixture.